BS2 is an international business process outsourcing company specializing in retail banking software and hardware solutions. Using its 20 years experience in the field of banking technologies, BS2 offers its services and products in 65 countries, nearly in all parts of the world.
There is about 50 employees in Lithuania based in head office, working directly with software development, service and support. BS2 unites over 200 high-level professionals worldwide.
BS2 is a software developer for managing, optimizing and automating of cash cycle management in retail banking. For more than 15 years, BS2 is a certified Winkler Nixdorf partner, offering modular software solutions for ATMs and ATSs. BS2 is an absolute leader in hardware service in Baltic states, also having a strong emphasis in Middle East and Caucasus regions. Hundreds of certified specialists maintain and serve over 4,000 self-service terminals.
BS2 is awarded by the PCI DSS, a multifaceted security standard that includes requirements for security management, policies, procedures, network architecture, software design and other critical protective measures. ATMs and ATS service certified by ISO 20000 standard, which describes the best practices for service management. BS2 software products accredited by ITIL certificates provides a practical framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business.
Our innovative software solutions operate in many countries all over the world. All of the solutions are appropriately certified and awarded by ATMIA standards.
IQ Platform is a multi-layer distributed application based on J2E components that provides high performance, scalability, and integration with external systems. Software solutions recently developed by BS2 are based on IQ Platform. The modular approach makes it easy to customize and to add or extend functionality for customer needs.
With many years of experience behind us, we have already achieved leading positions in 15 countries of the former Soviet Union, Central and Eastern European markets. In addition, we are represented through corporate business partners in other regions and have strong alliance relationships with industry leaders.